Hi. Ooh, everyone's ready. I have day 4 of my live unboxings. I figured I'd start a little bit later in the day. Catch some of you guys I can't catch earlier. Hi. So, I do not have a pin for this particular brand, but it is a brand that I love and I trust so much. And I specifically made sure I did my nails for you guys so you guys can see, and then hopefully give me some ideas. Sorry, I'm just getting myself together here. And you guys are able to see technology. It's good until it's good, right? Just trying to connect my other account so I can get your comments on the live at the same time. So give me 1 second. Yeah, so yes, I did my nails, you see. And this brand, if anyone knows, I do I do my left hand acrylic. And I did an unboxing of these two earlier in the week. So this one was Monday's unboxing with Totally Dipped. And then this one was Tuesday's unboxing with Shop Nails in the Trap. So I was like, ooh, let me do something. And then, ooh. Don't mess up the camera, young lady. Don't mess up the camera. So today I have Luxa. Luxa did a special drop a few days after their Black Friday, and they did a random mystery box. We don't know what was going to be in it. It's supposedly $100 or a couple of more dollars of products in there for $50. So I got 2 boxes. This is the first box I have. Can you see it? Mystery box number 1. So I'm going to open it up. I'm hoping the goodies inside here lead me to know what I'm going to be inspired to do on this hand. So this hand is completely an open palette. I did prep it and do it. So let's see. All right. Let's get you under perfect view. All righty. So I need to stop hitting the camera. Guys, work with me. Sorry. So I got a number 4 brush, which is a nail art brush, which I kind of needed another one, which is kind of good. So that one's a little bit more fine and detail. You see that? So love. Okay, so we got a number 4 detailer. I don't know. I'm wondering if every box is the same. I hope not. That wouldn't be cool. They put their Pro Sponge 100, 180. I'm assuming this is an 80-100, but it's shaped different. It's shaped straight. Usually they have it shaped like this one. But this is the first time I've seen it like this. So, ooh. Oh, it tells you what's in the mystery box. That would have helped, right? So you get 2 foil boxes, 1 transfer foil. Let me put it this way. Rainbow glitz, detailer, a mug. Ooh, listen. If there's anything I love, it's a good mug to put some coffee or tea in. Another holo. Ooh, you know what? I am so happy about the Illuminati. I think that's the thing that I'm most excited about. And the only reason why, if you have any Luxa products and you try to go online to their website, their Illuminati items are sold out. I don't know if it's the collection that's completely sold out or some of the individual colors from the Illuminati is sold out. But I'm so excited to have Illuminati. Yes! It's like being a kid in a candy store. You know what I mean? Oh, love it. They put a lot of good crinkle in here too. I love the crinkle. It's like a funfetti for the girls when my daughters play with it. Okay, so I'm assuming this is the mug. Let's unwrap this. Hey. Okay. And I'm interested to know some of my Luxa. I'm gonna call you guys fam because we've come to grow to be fam, you know. I'm gonna ask if you guys got the same thing inside your boxes, you know. So this Buddy Blue, this is a glitz, it's a glitter, it's a loose glitter, it has no acrylic in it, so you can use it as you need. You can apply it to acrylic, you can put it in gel and encapsulate it. And then this is a holo, right? Galaxy holo. This is like a chrome. Oh no, this is not a chrome. Hold on. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Okay. I wasn't gonna do that, but hey. Got it. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Yes, it's like a loose glitter, more like Mylar. Yes. Okay. Can I get some hearts for that one? Because that was definitely a good surprise. A good surprise. What else is in here? Ooh, the Illuminati. This is Hova. Now, if Leah so happens to watch this, Leah's the brand owner. If Leah so happens to watch this, if she only knew how much I love me some Jay-Z, for her to, and they're all like puns and games, and not like implying that they're part of Illuminati. It's just, it's all a hoax. It's fun, guys. Because apparently there was some backlash about it. But I'm just like, ooh, okay. So I thought these were diamonds, but they are like sequins. Okay, let me see if I can pick one up so you guys can see it. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm gonna pick up a couple. Oh, don't lose them all. Do you see that? And they're reflective. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. I love it. Okay, I don't want to lose any of them. Maybe that wasn't a good idea. Maybe it was. I don't know. But yes, okay. Excited to get this. Okay. And then some stickers. Paint your nails while the haters watch. Yes, yes, but I think it's the middle finger for me. It's the middle finger for me. I love it. Okay, and then a Luxa Gang pin. Yes, so boho. She said yes for the Luxa mug. I know. We are mug queens. That's my sister, guys. No better support than sister love, right? And then I got the transfer foil gel, and you know what? If I had known, I just ordered some. But it's okay. It's never, you can never get too much, because let me tell you something. Transfer foil can be your best friend when you're using your less dominant hand onto your dominant hand. It makes everything so pretty. And then, ooh, a limited edition gift. Which color was this? Ooh, is this a cat eye? Ooh, can you see that? It looks like a cat eye color. Ooh, okay. I'm just gonna test it on my thumb, since we're in this for the long haul, guys. Okay. All right, I'm gonna just drop it there. Let's see, am I in frame? I'm in frame. Let me see if I can come a little closer. There we go. That's, ooh. Okay, so I just want for reference, right? So the hand that I'm painting is my dominant hand. The hand that's holding the brush is my least dominant hand. Hence why I'm not moving as fast as if it was my dominant hand. So just some, ooh, this is only one coat. And this is why, once I found this brand in terms of gel polishes, colors, builder gel, I literally didn't go anywhere else, because look at this. That's one coat coverage, okay? Where am I? Here we go. That's one coat coverage. Let me get the light on here a little bit better. One coat coverage, everybody. One coat coverage. Look at that. So pretty. Hold on, let me go get my magnets and see if it is. It looks like one of the ones, one of the recently released. So these are my magnets for the cat eye. Okay, it's not moving, and you would know because it would have. Oh, hey, maybe this is not. Maybe that's why, because it's there. Okay, yeah, it's not moving, Let me put it up to screen. There we go. So the colors, oh, I got a little scrub off, but that's okay. So the colors would have shifted. You would have seen the metallics moving. It's not a cat eye. I thought it was. It's just a pretty, like iridescent green. Oh, so pretty. All right, let me just wipe that off. I don't know if I want to do this. Maybe I don't know if I was gonna match my left hand to my right hand. Let's see. I don't know. I know. Let me know. Should I open the second box? I was waiting for another package to come in, and it didn't come in on time. But I can leave my hands like this, do the second opening tomorrow, and then color them. Or we can open the second box now. But then I wouldn't have an unboxing tomorrow. And that would be false advertisement to say 5 days of unboxing, and I didn't unbox. But I'll do what the people want. Let the people speak. Tell me what you want. I totally just had, what you call it? The girls in my head. What is the name of the brand? The band again? Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Yeah? Okay. Never mind. I'll keep my mouth shut. Anyway, I still have 2 more items that I didn't get to show. I was really excited about this color. So, okay. So, move that out the way. We have the transfer box for box number 3, which has some really nice colors in it. I can see this for you, Stowe Boho. This is something I'm already thinking about for you. Can be done. It can be done. So nice iridescent colors. Ooh. You know what? I'm getting ahead of myself. I got a little excited. And then this is box set number 5. So more of the I don't want to be seen, but I'm seeing iridescent transfer foils. So nice. Nice. So that's everything that came in this box. So we have box set number 3, box set number 5, a limited edition color. It's a really pretty, like, iridescent green. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there we go. I'm watching 25 Days of Christmas on Freeform. So if you hear the movie that's in the background today is the original Home Alone. Has anyone seen the new one? It's not that bad. I like how they play a spin. They do give a little homage to the old one, but I'm not going to give too much away. But you'll enjoy it with the kids if you have kids, or if you don't have kids, enjoy it. You know. Liner number 4, which is a detail liner. I got a sticker. I got. Let me open this up. I don't think I opened this up for you guys. So again, this was Buddy Blue, and. Look at that. Look how pretty. Yes. And then we had some Illuminati, and this particular color oh, excuse me, was Hova. Hey. And then that had some nice little iridescent, it's like rose gold or copper gold with a little bit of green, purples in it. That kind of goes with something that I just recently got. I've been watching on, Instagram and Instagram and YouTube University. They have all these different types of nail art tutorials, and I saw one with these like earth stones. Where did I put it? And I tested it out. I got the earth stones, bought them on Amazon, and I tried it out. Look at that. Ooh. Right? So the stones are in the center, and then I just kind of gave it like a veining effect, like almost like a rose quartz, and then used a little bit of flakes in there to give it some little iridescent look. So I'm wondering if I can do that with this, Yes, I think I'm ready to try it. And then we had the Galaxy Holo, which is like Mylar. It was funny. It opened on its own before. Now I have to take the seal off. there we go. Gentle with this because it can get messy really fast. So this has your, and they're loose flakes, almost like a glitter mylar. They're not as sturdy as the glitter. They're softer, so I would call that mylar. Okay, and then I got the transfer foil gel that goes with the transfer foils, and a Luxagang pin, and then a cup to match my sticker. And that's that. And then, oh sorry, we have a zebra file and a zebra sponge buffer. So that was mystery box number 1. Remember, I have 2. I'm wondering if they have, I doubt they do because they didn't specify. If you look, they didn't really specify what type they had in there. They just gave you a general view of what's inside. So I probably have different colors in there. The mug will probably be the same. So I don't know, when I reach 500 followers, maybe I'll give a mug away. Ooh, that would be good. And then I know that Rebecca, if you're still on this live, I'm going to probably save a couple of the mini scrubs and creams and probably put that as part of a giveaway. Yes, all the things I love giveaway. I am down for that. Down for it. All right, so that was unboxing day number 4. I have one more day to lead us into the holiday and give us good cheer. So thank you guys for joining again. Hi. I'm just finishing up. I just did an unboxing. I'm gonna save the live, so if you wanted to join and watch it, you definitely can. I had a couple of good goodies of my favorite brand. I have actually everything I've showed has been a favorite brand, but favorite brand for different things, for different reasons. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget, you wanna paint your nails while the haters watch. See you guys. Thank you.